Okay guys, hello. Today we will be doing a routine, so we have to, if you can see it, I don't know. Don't go out there please. Take care of the axolotls. And, oopsies. I did not mean to do that. I thought I was in survival, but apparently not. I'd be very impressed if you could build all this in survival. But we had to take, I will probably, looks like there's sheep out, and it's raining, which is lovely. I just really need to check up on all the animals. So I will feed him. So aka put a sheep and let him go at it in there. Wild horses should be fine. I just want to make sure everybody's okay. Yeah. I'm going to grab 2 buckets. Hi, Steam. Oh, there she is. There's Sugar. There's Sugar. There's Steam. What y'all doing? Oh, you got a little baby! Oh, your baby is adorable. Adorable baby. Very adorable. I don't know what I'll name you. Guys, leave name suggestions. There's Steam. That is adorable. I did not know you could breed axolotls. I'm gonna be completely for real. I don't know why that's open. This is gonna be a very risky walk because there's so many sheep out. Apparently I don't know how to walk through Dory. But oh my goodness, what's your dinner? Delicious. I have literally nowhere to put that in there. Okay, you ready for your walk? Come on. Come on, baby. Yep. Let's get them little bones all healthy. That's probably my least favorite things to do is tame a dog. Or wolf, whatever. Okay, let's go on our walk. Yep. Yeah. Here's the new horse area. It's the new swimming area for the horses. So that's happy, isn't it? The horses have a new area to swim in. There's, of course, the barrel racing arena. Kind of dry right here. Let's check up on Pongo and Benny. You want to? You can spend some time with them. I check up on everybody else. Say, this will be your kennel. Oh, really? Go ahead and chill in here. I don't know where. Pongo always goes right here. Come on. Yeah, come on in. And you're wet again. And you're dry again. And you're wet again. Let's see. Hey. Yeah. Go ahead and get dry in this corner over here. This will probably be, her little, kennel thing when Aiden gets ready for his dogs. Aiden likes to drop his animals on everybody. How's everybody doing in here? Good, good. Huh. Come here. I do not want to walk and go check on everybody else. So you know what? Now, Spark, go ahead and kill me, why don't you? Now, go ahead and kill me again. Come on. Good boy. Ours just look to be doing fine. Let's go in here. Where the little sad boy Midnight is, because his little wifey wife is gone. And she's not gone, guys. She is really just back with her herd. There, Penelope is right in there. Oh, don't hit the horses. Yay! It's sunny again. But it's happy. Yeah. Here's Bobby, the big boy Bobby. These two that need to be named. A baby who was growing up so fast, and Ollie and Annie. Which, that's great. So let me show y'all. All these faster horses is harder to do the barrels with. Because they're really fast, so it's harder to turn them. You know? Really get it good. We turn really early. There's some of the literal, not too slow, but slower horses are good. Everybody asks what the back of the thing looks like. Actually, I had a few people ask it, but this is it. It was open right here. We just closed it. So that's what it looks like. For everybody that was wondering. Uh-oh, 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 oh. Oh. Yeah. That was something nice, Spark. These are some beautiful horses. But, Llama Man, I hit you, what will you do? Will your llamas attack me? Are y'all gonna spit at me? So, do y'all see that? He looked like he turned angry. I'll have to fill that in. There's not really too much that's changed around here. Just the new release swimming pin. I made this because the normal horses like to swim, but they'll drown if they swim too deep, so it's just 1 block deep, so they can swim. Because the normal horses, oh boy! Gosh, forgot you're not really a swimming type. So, I'm glad that we have it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. I love the axolotls. Good boy. Oh, yeah, I have this pond too. Tell the fish love to go down there. Attack a cow. I want to put some chickens right here. You know, like a chicken coop. But that's probably a long ways away. Okay, well, guess we're right over. I could maybe go get the donkey. Donkey, Wolf, and I, or Dog and I can go on a ride through the trail. But that's all, I think. I don't know if I'll film that. Is that right there? What is my donkey? Donkeys are there, I meant dog. Pongo. So tamed. Pongo. Come on, baby. Come on, don't you dare try to come out either. You can't even keep up with me walking. How are you supposed to keep up with me riding? Yeah. How? Just how? Come on. Where's the donkey? Come on. Don't attack the donkey. Little puppy. Come on. Okay, the donkey is slower than you are, so like, slower. We're basically kind of the same speed. Put that on. You ready? You coming? Come on. Yeah. Come on. Probably be easier to walk through here, but don't take the easy way. No way! Come on. Looks like the path might be filling in. I need to come through here and redo it. Come on. Come on. You coming? Come up. Come on up. Yeah. Wowzers. Okay. We literally can't go. But we can come in the water. Wait. Come on, baby. Guys, there's wild dogs. That's amazing. There's 2. Hi. Gotta protect y'all at all cost. Right? Right. Yeah. Well, let me see if I can, like, dye your collar. Yeah. I don't think so. Come on. Well, me and the baby gotta go. Go bye-bye. There's some pretty wolves. Yeah. Oh, come on. Hey, it's not your mom. So no matter how much you try, she's not your mama. Yeah, this little baby does not have a name yet. I was thinking maybe Poppy. Kind of up to y'all too. Get off the trail, pig. Yeah, Poppy. That's amazing that there's wild ones though. I haven't seen wild wolves or dogs in forever. Wolves. Who's in here? No one. Okay. Come on. Come on, Poppy. Come on. Okay. Everybody say goodbye, Poppy, or hike. Get back. Get back, yep. No. Whoa. Midnight. Chill, dude. Come here. Come on. Midnight's probably my fastest horse or sport too. Come on. Yeah, I don't know where I plan on taking you without that, but we could probably lose the dog in seconds from it. So yeah, let's escape. The sad thing about the horses is they test their speed. Because when they're wild, you don't want to ride them, or I guess it kind of like slows them down a little bit. It's really weird, but you have to hit them to test their speed. Of course, my brother was talking to my brother about buying a baby. I mated them, breeded them, whatever you want to call it. Here, all the doors are shut, right? Yeah. Is this? Oh, that's Ollie. That's Ollie, man. This is other baby. He is pretty much full. And he is not that fat. My brother really wants a fast horse. Hey, did you move, Poppy? Come on. Wait, let's see if my thing is right. If I could die. What are you after? If I can die it. No, I can't yet. Probably because you're not tamed. I'd probably. Come on. Sweet girl. Do 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 do. Oh, look, we're both walking something. Yours don't listen as well, though. Can I ride yours? No, I don't want to trade you. I want to ride your animal. Die. Yeah, sorry. If you were tame, this would be so much easier. Oh, wow. Why'd you attack him? What? Why'd you attack him? Hey, okay, hey, let's separate. It's okay? Get your llama under control. Come on. Come on, calm down. Go in here and calm down, yeah. You leave that dog alone, moron. Let me saddle you. Come on. Now, die. Now that's... I'm doing like no damage to him. This is for attacking my toe. Die, you mother. Anyways, good baby. You ready? Why are you staring at that? Come on. Oh, wait, come on. Let's head home now. You need a well-deserved treat. I think I have some sheep, or it's sheep meat, whatever it's called. Yeah. Some well-deserved sheep meat. Mere little wild day from you attacking, Oh, okay. You know what? Come on. Come on. Yep. Go ahead. Yep. You're a big guy. Oh, you grew up. That's so cute. You grew up. I love you still. You're just like a big boy. You're still not any faster, but... Where you going? Oh, thank you. No, we ain't going to the sheepers. We ain't going after the sheepers. Come on. Hey, you moved upstairs. Okay. I'm gonna give you a little bit more of an easier sheep to kill too. You ready? Oh, it's a baby. Oh, you killed a baby. You know, that's really, really, really rude to kill a baby. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay, I fed you as much as I could. Thank you so much for killing that baby sheep. And thank you for being a good little boy. But I'm gonna go to my room and lay down because I said the thing to always stay. So it's not gonna go night. Goodbye, y'all. Goodbye.